Oh no, smoke everywhere. Oh no. Oh, burn. What happened here? Oh my god. Badly, so badly burned. Good morning, I'm Susan. How are you? So, yesterday, Vicky tells me that she would like to have scallion fried pork chops. And later she said when she comes back, she will cook them with me. I bought all the ingredients this morning, and I think that because she edited some videos very late last night and maybe she might feel tired, so maybe I should cook it. I think it's not that difficult. I hope it's not. So I'll just cook it myself, and since she left the camera here with me, I can use it and also show you guys how I'm gonna cook it, right? And I think that when Vicky comes back, she's gonna be so happy, and maybe she might praise me. I hope she does, because I know that I can make this. I'm gonna do it today without her. Okay, let's have a look. Okay.
Making the ginger scallion water. Just prepared by crushing a piece of ginger and finely slicing the scallions, then adding some cold water.
Okay. Prepare some ginger water. Okay, so this one I'm gonna prepare the scallion ginger water. So I'm gonna put it in here, and then for this one I'm gonna fry the scallion later. The scallion oil. Put this one here. Must be like this, pounding it. That's right. Not slice it. You have to pound it. Spitting everywhere. This must be it. It must be this way. Yeah, that's right. See, you just pound it like that, and then you just add it together with the scallion to make the water. Okay, so I just cleaned the pork. So now I'm gonna pound it. That's right. One here. Pound this one first. So I'm going to use the back of the knife here. I think that's what the video said, right? And then I'm just going to, I think Vicky did this, like this. Okay, this one should do. That's good. And here. Okay, that's it. Good enough. Here.
Ginger scallion water. Several times, okay.
There it is. So, okay, so I have prepared the scallion ginger water. So it's all ready. I'm going to add it all in on how she's done it. Let the water absorb into the meat. Video again. Oh, wait a minute. So now I need to prepare the white pepper. Right. She said, what happened? I forgot this step.
Into your hand, yeah. Okay. Is that enough?
So add some pepper. I think that should be enough. Maybe a bit more. A bit more. Yeah, that should do. And then I've got some soy sauce. Add some soy sauce. This much. Let's put this much. Too much there. Dark soy sauce. Oh, don't that much, right? Was it this much? About there. And then she's gonna add some oyster sauce. I think that should be enough. Not too much. Pepper. Oh no, I'm gonna sprinkle some starch. Some starch. Okay, sprinkle some starch. I think it was like this. A bit more. A bit this much. And then we need an egg. Crack an egg. Crack 1 egg, and I think I've done it. Okay. Perfect. Lastly, add some oil. Right? Oh. I think low medium heat will do, I think. Okay, I'm going to use some pop lard because Vicky used this last time. I think that this much will do. Much pop lard, a little bit in first. See how much I get first. Might be too much, who knows. Okay. I think it's smoky enough. I think it should be good to go in. Let's get right. I'll just add a bit more. I'm gonna add more. So coming out a bit more. Right. Oh, that's good. Looks quite good. Getting a bit quite brown already. I remember she said not just slightly brown. Golden brown, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna scoop out the scallion. See, it's all dried. Looks good to me. Oh, and very crunchy, and it's very crunchy as well. Now I'm gonna cook the pork chop. Throw in the pork chop. Yeah. Oh, did it! I did it! Did it! And I'll add another piece here. Oh, really? Very. Oh. Maybe I'll just pop it or make it fall out. Spread it out. Luckily the oil is not sticking out so much. Okay. Right. Okay, I think that's good.
I got a phone call. Hello. Oh, hi, how are you? Oh, hold on a second. I need to turn off something. Hold on. I'm going to turn off the main low heat. Hi, hey, how are you? Oh no, smoke everywhere. Oh no. Oh, bud. What happened here? Oh my god. So badly, bud. Dude, what am I gonna do? Can't let Vicky see this. It's okay. This part is okay. The top part is fine. Just leave it like this. You just kind of, oh, leaking everywhere. Oh, so badly burned. I hope this is not that yet. It's almost here, I think. I think Vicky is gonna be back soon. Oh gosh. And this part looks okay. I just remove this part and just cut like this. Nice. Well, this part is okay. Use this part, she wouldn't know. Not just, and I think I'll just put some scallion just around it and put it right on top of it. And then it smells really good. Wow. Burnt part, I think it's fine. Yeah, that would do. Okay. Looks really good to me. Just throw some more in. You can't really tell anyways, like, because I actually do like burnt fruit because it tastes very crunchy, I think. Okay. Oh no.
Seems that something has burned.
No, nothing's burned.
Nothing's burned?
Yeah. I was making pork chop, scallion pork chop.
Hey, it looks good.
Yeah. I made it all by myself today.
Really? It's awesome.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Yeah, but it seems a little bit burned.
Oh, just a little bit, not much. It's okay. I think it's nice. I think.
Okay.
Well, you see, you can't really see it. It's like brown.
Oh,
It's just nicely cooked.
Seems okay.
Yeah. Okay, you just back for lunch.
Yeah, I just
Let's-
arrived.
Yeah. Let's have some lunch now. Let's try the.
Oh, I'd better cook another dish together.
Yeah. What are you gonna cook?
How about a steamed egg?
Okay, I like that.
Oh, it's quite fast.
Okay.
I'll do
All
it.
right. All right. I'll just take this out now.
Oh.
Oh, so bitter. I'm gonna put it back here. Just cover it back in here. Too dry.
Huh?
What?
What are you looking at?
Oh,